Model Railways Unlimited, technical guide for you.
Welcome to this technical guide video about the wonderful Accurascale Class 50. This guide is for those who have soldering skills and a fine soldering iron and access to de-soldering braid and some 1/8 watt 68 ohm resistors, or a replacement surface mount resistor of 68 ohms. I was hoping this modification would not be needed again after I published my findings with the Accurascale Class 31. However, for whatever reason, Accurascale only fitted a 7.5 ohm resistor between the fan motor and its feed. I was hoping to offer you a simple, non-invasive modification simply by bridging switch 7, the fan switch on the DCC blanking plug, and moving it to the off position. I thought this would reduce the speed of the fan. However, this is not possible, as the switch is more likely providing base current to a transistor that switches the fan in or out of circuit. Some may recall my review video shown top right now, where I noted the fan assembly in the roof of the Class 50 and the little PCB with a single surface mount resistor in series with the fan motor feed. I was initially confused by the reading of 7.5 ohms over the fitted resistor, as it's marked 85Y, or so I thought. It is in fact marked 85Y, and I didn't really realise that until I'd removed it from the PCB and inspected it more closely. The resistor code is conforming to the EIA 96 standard, whereby the first two numbers, that can range from 0.1 to 96, here 85, give a value of 750, and the letter Y is the multiplier, in this case 0.01, meaning the value is actually 7.5 ohms. A handy website, if you want to learn more, can be found on screen now and in this video's links. Moving on, set the body into a service cradle that will be very steady. Select a fine tip for your soldering iron and a temperature of not more than 600 Fahrenheit. Using eye magnification and being very aware of the position of the body of your soldering iron at all times, making sure it can't touch your Class 50's body and badly melt it. Use a fine de-soldering braid to remove the solder around the surface mount resistor. Carefully assist the resistor to move with fine tweezers and the soldering iron. Set it aside if you want to keep it. Tin the now exposed pads, being careful not to break them. Select and bend a 68 ohm 1/8 watt resistor or new surface mount resistor. Bend the wires to meet the pad dimensions. Solder the resistor to the side of the pads like so. You will now find your fan will run at a sensible speed when the loco is working across most speed ranges. Some may prefer to try a 100 ohm resistor, as this will tone down the fan even more. I took the opportunity to fit drivers to my Class 50 before carefully closing it up, following the guide in my review video. I hope this has been of interest to at least some of you. Cheers for now.
Model Railways Unlimited, technical guide for you.